See the single server queuing model for steady state and model for computer simulation and modeling. The queuing model is basically designed for queues or waiting lines that affect the people every day. The primary goal is finding the best level of service. The analytical modeling can be used for many queues, and for more complex situations, computer simulation is needed. Now the characteristic of queuing system, the first one is an arrival characteristics which depends on the size of the arrival. The queue characteristics is the queue length, and the service facility characteristics is the number of servers and the time taken to serve one arrival. The exponential distribution mu is equal to average service time t is equal to the length of the service where t is greater than 0, and p of t is equal to probability that the service time will be greater than t, and it is given by pt is equal to e raised to minus mu t. Now these are the few notations which are used for measuring the queue performance. Utilization factor, that is probability of all servers being busy, it is given by rho. L of Q is equal to average number in the queue. L is denoted for average number in the system. W of Q is equal to average waiting time in the queue. W is equal to average time in the system. P of 0 is equal to probability of 0 customers in the system, and P of n is the probability of exactly n customers in the system. The Kendall's notation is used where A slash B slash S. Let's see what are these A, B and S stands for. A is the arrival distribution where A can be replaced by M if it is a Poisson distribution, D if it is a deterministic distribution, and G if it is a general distribution. And B is replaced by the service time distribution, M if it is an exponential distribution, D if it is a deterministic distribution, and G if it is a general distribution, and S is the number of server. So if we have a notation of M1, it stands for it's the Poisson exponential and number of server is 1. Let's see the systems and where they're used. The simple MM1 system is used at a customer desk in any of the stores. The multiple server MMS, where the airline ticket counter or any other reservation counter it can be used. Constant service MD1 is an automated car wash or any other automated system, and general service, that is MG1, is for the repair shop, any repair shop if it is automated. And limited population MMS slash infinity slash n, where operation with only 8 machines that might break. It may vary from 8 to 12. Now let's see the single server queuing system and its characteristics. The arrival follows the Poisson distribution with a mean arrival lambda. The service time has exponential distribution. The average service rate is mu. Arrivals are infinite population alpha, or we can take it as infinity when we are doing. Customers are served in the first in first out basis, that is FIFO. There's only one server as S is 1, lambda is constant, and mu greater than lambda, that is average service rate is greater than the average arrival rate. Now these are the few formulas which are used for calculating the values for the single server queuing system. The average server utilization is given by lambda upon mu. The average number of customers waiting in the queue is given by L of Q is equal to lambda square divided by mu into mu minus lambda. Average number in the system is L is equal to the customer waiting in the queue, that is L of Q plus lambda upon mu. The average waiting time in the queue is W of Q is equal to LQ divided by lambda is equal to lambda divided by mu into mu minus lambda. Average time in the system W is equal to the time waiting in the queue WQ plus 1 upon mu, and probability of 0 customers in the system is P of 0 is equal to 1 minus lambda upon mu, and probability of exactly n customers in the system is P of n is equal to lambda upon mu raised to the power of n P of 0. Now let's see for the steady state queuing how the things work. P of n is the probability that there are exactly n customers of job in the system for the steady state where t tends to infinity. L is equal to expected number of customers in the system in the steady state. L of Q is expected number of customers in the queue in the steady state. W is equal to expected time a job spends in the system, and W of Q is expected time a job spends in a queue. Now the cost of the queuing system is given by total cost is equal to CW into L plus CS into S, where CW is the cost of the customer waiting time per time period, L is equal to average number of customer, CS is cost of servers per time period, and S is the number of servers. For the multiple server, it is for Poisson distribution, exponential service times, S is for servers, and total service state must exceed the arrival rate, so S of mu is greater than lambda. Single server system with general service time, that is mg1, it has a Poisson arrival, and general service time distribution with mean mu and standard deviation, mu is greater than lambda. Multi-server system with finite population, the characteristics are it is a Poisson arrivals, exponential service time, and S servers with identical service time distributions, limited population of size n, and arrival rate decreases as queue lengthens. Now let's take an example. For the single server queuing system MM1, the inter-arrival time as well as the service at a single chair unisex barber shop has shown an exponential distribution. The value of lambda and mu is equal to 4 per hour and 6 per hour. Compute the steady state parameters and the probabilities of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So steady state is lambda divided by mu minus lambda, and probability of 0 customers in the system is given by P of 0 is equal to 1 minus lambda upon mu, and probability of exactly n customers in the system is given by lambda upon mu raised to the power of n into P of 0. We have the values given for lambda and mu, so we'll be substituting the values to find out the exact answer. Let's start by substituting and finding the steady state value. So it is 4 divided by 6 minus 4 is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2. So steady state condition is 2. Probability of 0 customers in the system. So 1 minus lambda upon mu, it is 1 minus 4 upon 6. So the answer is 0.3333. Probability of 0 customers in the system, we have found out the answer is 0.3333. Now let's find out the probability of exactly 1 customer. So it will be raised to the power of 1. The answer is 0.222. Similarly, we'll find out the probability of 2 customers. So 4 upon 6 raised to the power of 2 into 0.3333. The answer is 0.148. Probability of exactly 3 customers in the system is 4 divided by 6 raised to the power of 3 into 0.3333, which is the value of P0. So the answer is 0.09867. And the probability of exactly 4 customers in the system is 4 divided by 6 raised to the power of 4 into 0.3333. So it is 0.0657. This is how the calculations for the single server queuing system MM1 is done. Thank you.